Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down a topic every software engineer should understand: software quality. What it is, why it matters, and how teams actually measure and maintain it. Let's get started. What is software quality? Software quality simply means how well a software works and how well it satisfies users. If the software does what people expect, works without issues, and is easy to use, we call it high quality. In today's world, quality isn't optional. It defines whether an app succeeds or fails. Why does software quality matter? People depend on software. Banking, healthcare, flights, education, everything runs on software. A small error can cause huge damage. Fixing early is cheaper. A bug found during development might take minutes to solve. The same bug found after release can cost weeks of effort. You can't see software quality. Unlike a physical product, you can't tell if software is good just by looking at it. You need tests, reviews, and proper documentation. Small mistakes grow over time. If early issues are ignored, they become bigger problems later. Quality in project planning. Quality isn't something you check only at the end. It's planned from the beginning. Here's how teams include quality in a project. Set goals, clearly decide what quality means for the project. Set standards, choose tools, methods, and rules to maintain quality. Analyze the project, identify if it needs special quality procedures, like for safety-critical systems. Define tasks, write entry and exit criteria for each stage. Review the plan, make sure the quality strategy is solid before development starts. The 3 dimensions of software quality. Software quality is usually viewed in 3 dimensions. A. Product operation, how it works. Correctness, does the software perform the correct tasks? Reliability, does it run without crashing? Efficiency, does it use memory and CPU effectively? Integrity, is it secure from unauthorized access? Usability, is it easy for users? B. Product revision, how easily it can change. Maintainability. Flexibility. Testability. C. Product transition, how well it adapts. Portability. Reusability. Interoperability. How do we measure quality? Every quality feature needs clear metrics. Teams usually define. Definition, what exactly are we measuring? Measurement unit, what numbers will represent it? Test method, how do we check it? Minimum value, the lowest acceptable performance. Target range, the ideal benchmark. Current value, where the software stands now. Example, measuring reliability. Availability, 99.9% uptime. MTBF, 720 hours. Failure on demand, 0.01%. Fault reports, 12 bugs fixed this month. Quality equals planning plus checking plus improving. Good software is correct, reliable, efficient, secure, portable, and easy to use. It doesn't crash often, it can be updated easily, and it works smoothly across systems. Quality is not something you add at the end. It's a continuous cycle. Plan, set objectives. Check, test everything. Improve, fix issues and refine. That's a quick overview of software quality and why it's so important. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your doubts in the comments. See you in the next video.